Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Glamour by MJ and today I am coming to you guys with a spring look. No, this look did not go as planned, but I mean it came out okay and I would still consider these spring colors with the oranges and the pinks and the purple. Actually you guys will see the colors that I used in the tutorial. It came out looking like purple, but it wasn't supposed to. But I just went on ahead and went with the flow anyway. But yeah, it went in a total different direction than what I had planned for it to go in. I definitely was going for some more of a like a peachy, like pink vibe. But then like when I was putting the peach, you guys will see in my tutorial, when I was putting the peach and the orange on my lid, I just kind of noticed that it kind of started to look too similar. I'm like, this is not making a gradient effect. So I just went on ahead and chose the orange to put all over my lid. And yeah, it's not really what I kind of like envisioned. And then like at first I wasn't really feeling the look, and then once I like put everything together, then I started to feel it. So the look came out okay, so you guys can see in the pictures and stuff like that. And yeah, I don't want to ramble too long on my intro. I don't know why I'm so cheesy, and it is 4:58 a.m. in Chicago. Okay, y'all. I don't know why I'm so cheesy, but like I said, I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. I had a whole plan for this video, but it did not go as I planned because I forgot to turn the camera back on at certain points. So I guess I'm gonna try it again in my next tutorial. But anyways, y'all, let's hop into this eye look. You guys already know I'm gonna be going in with my Covergirl Undercover True Blend Concealer in the shade T700 Caramel as my eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to spread this on my eyelid. Then we're going to be buffing it out with my Morphe. This is the M173 brush. Dang, I'm too mad. I had a good idea for this video and I forgot to turn the camera back on at certain points. But it's okay. I got plenty more tutorials like I'm gonna put out. I'm gonna be going into the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this bottom shade right here, this burgundy one, it is called Not a Fact. I'm going to be going in with this one first, and I'm going to be taking that in my crease on my e.l.f. flat shader brush. And I believe I'm going to only use 2 transitions, y'all. Only 2. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. That should be good. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be going to the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette. And there's this pink shade in here that I wanted to use. And it is called Self-Made. I like that Jeffree Star includes the names on his eyeshadow. I do like that factor. And I'm going to be taking that shadow on my M505 Morphe brush. And I'm going to be placing it directly on top of the burgundy shade. Now this palette does have quite a bit of kickback, so heads up. Pigment Center is all outdoors, but a lot of kickback. I don't know if these are like loose pigments, or I don't know if this is his signature formula or if it's Morphe's formula. Maybe it's mixed. Not really sure. And I'm placing it right on top of the burgundy so we can blend it out.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up the smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house.
Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is go back into that burgundy shade and I'm gonna blend it up into that pink shade. You always wanna go back and forth between your shadows so they can blend cohesively and you don't see any harsh lines in your shadows. So just remember that. Okay guys, so now that I have that, I'm going to go into this Jawbreaker palette. This one is by Jeffree Star as well. And I'm going to be taking this very light pink shade and it is called Bubblegum. And I'm going to take that to blend out the outer edge of the darker pink that I put on. And I'm going to take it on that same M505 brush. This is kind of giving me like a pink and purple vibe, and I didn't really want that. I didn't want it to look like pink and purple, but hey.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be.
I'm going to clean off some of the eyeshadow because I am using a more lighter concealer and I don't want the darker shadows to be peeking through. I don't know what her name, let me find her name on Instagram because she was the first one that I seen to do it. So yeah, she the first person I seen doing it with the Q-tip and the micellar water. She take a Q-tip and micellar water and kind of clean. She kind of pre-cut. Now I seen a lot of other people doing it. I had tried it once before when I had started watching her, but I just never continued to do it. Okay y'all, now I'm gonna go in and cut my crease. If you guys are wondering what this shade is, it is Soft Tan M500. The brush that I'm using to cut my crease do not have a name guys, but I will definitely link it in my description right below. It came from a set that I found on Amazon. Right guys, so that's basically the pre-cut. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and like sharpen it up even more. First I just basically like to map my cut crease out. So this is the map out of it. Now I'm just gonna go in and make it really detailed and more sharp.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest.
So now I'm just tapping on the lid. And this is just going to help the concealer dry down faster and also make it a more smoother base. And also I'm going to tap out those edges. I'm going to go back into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And I'm going to take this shade called Comb at the bottom. It's like a peachy nude terracotta shade. It was the closest thing that I really got to peach. So, oh, you know what? There's a true peach, and it's called Fuck. So actually, I'm going to be taking this peach shade right here called Fuck out of the Jawbreaker palette. I don't know why I ain't seen that before. So guys, I'm going to go back into the Conspiracy palette and I'm going to fade out my outer V with that same burgundy shade. I'm going to tap that same burgundy shade on my outer V with this brush from the crayon case.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
Alright guys, now I'm going to go back into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and I'm going to be taking this shade right here at the top. It's this bright orange shade and it's called Suck. I think Jeffree Star was feeling some type of way when he was making this palette, y'all, because these names are outrageous, honey.
Engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in.
They kind of look similar. So I'm going back into the Morphe times Jeffree Star palette and I'm going to take Self Made and I'm going to blend it into that orange right in front of that burgundy.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball.
Alright guys, so I just added some liner and the liner was from L'Oreal. I love this liner. It's the number 171 Black is Black Noir. Now I'm about to go ahead and add some lashes from this line called VLuxe by IEnvy, and they are called, the name of them are Peach Echo. So I'm about to add these on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this look, as you guys can see, took a total turn, a total 360. Excuse me. I was going for something peachy and pink. It just did not work out that way because I decided to add orange on, and then I started to realize that the orange and the peach look really similar. So it wasn't giving a gradient effect with the orange and the peach on my eyelid, and I just decided to go ahead and make the whole lid orange. I was just looking in the mirror the whole time while I'm explaining it, sorry. But I just decided to go ahead and make the whole eyelid orange. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and move on with the rest of the tutorial. So guys, now let's put on a lip combo.
Shut it down like a open up, open.
Okay guys, I think this is pretty much it. Okay guys, my lip combo was, of course, my Nicka K lip liner and Coca. And I went in with the M.A.C lipstick called See-Through. I'm sorry, not See-Through. Cream to Nude. And I went in with the lip gloss from M.A.C called See-Through. So that was my lip combo. And that was pretty much it. Of course, all of my products will be listed down in my description bar below. Sorry I keep looking in my mirror over there. I don't know. Yeah. But anyways, guys, we are about to hop into the slow-mos.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I promise y'all the next tutorial gonna be better. This one was definitely all over the place, but I didn't want all of these hours of hard work to go to waste and then I just not post a tutorial. It's all about trial and error, you guys. Don't give up when you are, when you feel like you've been defeated, is what I'm trying to say. Don't give up, because like during this tutorial I was like, why am I not getting it? Why is this not coming out right? And it was a lot. But I just kept going, and I'm just like, let me just see what the final look is gonna come out to, and I actually end up liking it. So guys, just keep going. Don't, it's frustrating. Yeah, you have to have patience when you're doing your makeup and when you're doing any of your crafts that you're at. But yeah, I just say just keep going, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So if you guys want to see more videos from me, turn on my post notifications. All of my social media handles will be in my description bar below, as well as all of my products that I used in the video. Sorry, I keep looking at the mirror. It's a habit. I probably shouldn't put that right there when I'm done my intro and outro, because I always look in it. But yeah, guys, until next time, I will see you guys with the next spring look. Bye, guys.